Hi guys, thanks for joining me. Today I'm going to be experimenting a bit to see if I can use the acrylic swipe technique to create a flower. I'm laying down a white base coat to get started, and if you're interested in the paint colors and paint ratios that I'm using, I'll have those listed in the description box so you can check those out over there. To create the flower, I'm just dipping my palette knife into two of the colors and then gently swiping those colors over the white. I started with larger strokes at the bottom of the flower, and I'm gradually decreasing the length of each stroke as I move towards the top of the flower. The canvas that I'm using today is an 8 by 10 inch canvas, which is roughly 20 by 25 centimeters. I'm using some Phthalo Green and Aqua Green here to create the stem. Thanks so much for joining me today. If you'd like to see more tutorials like this, please don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell, and I look forward to seeing you again next time.